Weekly FX Performance Report, June 26, 2025, a $121.105 USD. U.S. China talks and G7 summit ahead. Are markets running on exhausted momentum or poised for volatility? Weekly summary. Total profit $121.105 USD. The first half of the week was challenging, but remarks from BOJ Governor Ueda stating that there's no rush to raise rates sparked yen weakness. By strengthening short yen positions, gains were sharply recovered in the second half, leading to a strong positive finish for the week. Key observations. The yen remains vulnerable to policy-related comments from key officials. The U.S.-China trade negotiations on June 9th in London will be a central market driver. G7 summit starting June 15th headlines could trigger surprise volatility. Major currency movements June 26th. Pair highlights. USD JPY jolt speed climbed above 144, then fell to 142s on ADP and jobless claims, rebounded to high 143s on U.S. China summit hopes. USD ECB cut rates by 0.25%, but President Lagarde struck a cautious tone. The euro spiked to 1.1495. GBP JPY limited impact from U.S. tariffs. Held firm in the upper 192s. CAD AJP BOC held rates. CAD remained firm versus USD but lacked direction against JPY. AUD JPY moved within range amid U.S. China and G7 headlines. Weak GDP had limited effect. Currency outlook week of June 9. USD JPY optimism over U.S. China talks offers downside support. Watch for volatile comments around G7. CPIPI could trigger renewed USD selling. BOJ policy tone remains a key yen risk factor. USD. After the ECB cut, markets now expect a pause, lending euro support. Weak U.S. Inflation data may favor euro buying. Monitor headlines around EU-US trade talks in the late June NATO summit. GBP JPY minimal impact from tariffs may continue to trade firmly. Ongoing UK trade talks in pharma finance may trigger short-term moves. Wages, employment, and GDP will shape BOE's stance. KGP, US. Canada trade tensions could lead to risk-off sentiment. Few major domestic indicators spoken expected to hold rates with cuts possible later. PM Trudeau's retaliatory remarks could dampen sentiment. AUD-JP, U.S. China negotiations and G7 outcomes are the main triggers. Domestic data weak market, highly sensitive to geopolitical headlines. AUD may fall sharply if tensions worsen. Summary outlook week of June 9. USD JPY market will swing between inflation data and U.S. China progress. USD. With rate cut expectations fading, the downside appears supported. GBP JPY stable outlook UK data still important. CAD JPY few key events, but trade headlines could spark volatility. AUD JPY external risks dominate one-sided moves possible. Afterward, a healthy gut, a healthy trade. They say the gut is the second brain. But isn't your gut environment surprisingly similar to your trading environment? In a market where Bitcoin and JPY fluctuate violently, your body and mental balance can make or break even the best strategy. When headlines like Trump's tariff shocks cause erratic moves, controlling your internal state may be the first step to stable trading. According to Dr. Jared Meacham, improving gut health starts with organizing your kitchen. In trading terms, this means your kitchen should also have entry points and take profit zones. Fermented foods probiotics, well-reasoned positions. Fiber prebiotics, essential groundwork before entries. Glass containers and blenders. Choosing the right. Tools just like configuring MT4 MT5. Also, dividing your fridge, freezer, and pantry smart portfolio allocation. Just as a messy kitchen can't produce great meals, a cluttered workspace won't yield winning trades. As we head into summer, if trading gets too intense, cool down with a bowl of miso soup. Balance your gut, your mind, and your charts, and let's take on the next week with a steady hand.